Good morning. I just woke up, so I'm about to walk Nala. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shoes on. Let me make up my bed first real quick. Hey, y'all, I had to get this thing for her to spend the night in because she kept coming on my couch when her period was on. So, hey girl. Hey girl. Hey, 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 get off of that. Come on. Can we come over here? There's a little bit more space to poop. Like right over here. Yes, poop in this area. Why you want to go right over here? There's no space for you to squat. What? You want some sunlight. Here you go. Isn't she beautiful? It's water. Yeah, I just rinsed it out and put water in here. But she is loving it. And she really, really loves when I open this window too. She likes that. And sometimes the bees swarm around her and I don't know why. So yeah, so I like for this part at the bottom to overflow. And then I just get rid of all that extra water. But I like to make sure it's really saturated. As you can see, the soil is like really, really moist. Yeah, touch it. Look at the little bugs trying to get a little sun, a little mosquito. It's closed, but I hope it opens up. So I'm actually about to do my workout now. And I absolutely love these bands. So I'm gonna be using these bands today to do some glute work. And so I like to be able to see myself right here. And I like to be able to see myself right there. And I put my music on and I read my affirmations and we're gonna get it popping. I'm gonna be using my kettlebell. This just how I do it, okay? Like turn all the lights off. And I like to make it look like the club when I'm working out. It seems like a lot, but when you're doing everything in your house, you really have to get creative with how you keep yourself in the zone. And I really love my workouts. Yeah, yep. Hold up. All right, and I'm just gonna push in the corner like this. So now if you look over in my spin bike area, the whole room has a red hue. This my song. I'm a damn freaking time place any day of the week. I'm done.
I made this one.
I loaded up with a lot of different vegetables because I'm lactose intolerant, and the older I get, the worse it gets, so I literally cannot have it anymore. Now, yes, so first thing I do, you done with your story, baby? Not yet? Okay, I should have known. Let's put some chips on the bottom. Like I said, I'm only eating 1 meal a day, and I let myself have however much I want. Girl, 27. I think that's enough. Tell me part 2 tomorrow, okay? Okay. But yes, that's how much chips I'm gonna put on it. Put this back in the fridge. Okay. Top. So green. Lettuce Nala, I don't think you're gonna like it. Nala is waiting for anything to fall. She's constantly doing this, just hoping something fall on the floor. So when the lettuce fell, I assumed she would jump up because the Cheerio fell earlier and Shotty was ready. So gotta let her know that's that green stuff and you don't really like that. So yeah, so here's some more lettuce right here. All right. I know it's overflowing, but that's how I like it. We're gonna sprinkle that chicken on there. Look at it, it look good, don't it? Big old salad. And it is it's like 3:15 right now. This is the first thing I've eaten all day. And it's the only thing I'm really gonna eat all day. And along with my, oh yeah. Huh? Monday through Friday, it has to stay like that, okay? Because Monday through Friday, the tablet is just for learning. Except for after 2 p.m. But it's still for learning Monday through Friday. But after 2 p.m., you're supposed to be doing ballet right now. Or some art. Supposed to be working on your art? Yes, because I'm going to make my list of spelling words for you. Because we're going to get that spelling together. What you thought? But you got it right one. Yes. And I am not skimping. Not on the TV, Audra. One single bite and ain't no jalapeno on there, I'm going to be mad. So I need to make sure there's jalapenos everywhere. They're just so good when it's like this. Okay. Yes, last one's jalapeno. Like that. Cause presentation, boo. Bow. That's the salad.